In a magical scene, a majestic unicorn suddenly appears, its horn glowing with an ethereal light. Surrounding it, pixies delicately string starlight into garlands, creating a mesmerizing sight. Alongside them, a gentle stream whispers ancient tales, adding to the enchantment of the moment. In this mystical setting, hope blossoms like wildflowers, filling the air with a sense of possibility. The moon gracefully casts a silvery glow on the ancient trees, creating a serene and magical ambiance. Amongst it all, fairies gracefully flit about, their wings shimmering with a touch of magic. This is a world of wonder and imagination, inviting you to join in its enchanting embrace.